Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to optimize Wealthfront Robo-Advisor. Wealthfront is a popular investment platform that uses algorithms to manage your portfolio, providing a low-cost and efficient way to invest. To get started, you will need to create an account and fund it with the amount you want to invest. First, you need to understand the investment options available on Wealthfront. The platform offers a range of portfolios, including tax-optimized, income-generating, and socially responsible investing. You can choose the portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Next, you need to set your investment goals and risk tolerance. Wealthfront will ask you a series of questions to determine your risk tolerance and investment goals. Based on your answers, the platform will recommend a portfolio that is tailored to your needs. To optimize your Wealthfront portfolio, you need to regularly review and adjust your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can do this by logging into your account and updating your investment objectives. You should also consider tax implications when investing, as Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax liability. Another key concept to understand is diversification. Wealthfront portfolios are diversified across different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to reduce risk and increase potential returns. You can also customize your portfolio by adding or removing specific investments. In terms of practical examples, let's consider an investor who is saving for retirement. This investor can choose the tax-optimized portfolio, which is designed to minimize tax liability. The investor can also set a target retirement date, and Wealthfront will create a customized portfolio to help them reach their goal. Best practices for optimizing Wealthfront include regularly reviewing your portfolio, adjusting your investment goals and risk tolerance as needed, and taking advantage of tax loss harvesting. You should also consider contributing to your portfolio on a regular basis, as this can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Finally, it's essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio over time. Wealthfront provides regular updates and recommendations to help you stay on track. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Wealthfront Robo-Advisor and achieve your investment goals. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns.